Alright guys, so you guys will be working with the new assignment. Basic stuff, the same thing. What's going to change though is that you guys will be recording your voice, okay, on a website, and then that same website will transfer your voice to your downloads, okay? So we're going to talk about that right now. So basically what we're going to be doing is make sure you have this. Remember that everything gets saved on a folder. Your project name, make sure we put voice project because it's going to be based on your voice. That's where I'm going to mostly focus on. Remember that your video mode, if you don't have, you probably have automatic, and if you don't have HD 720 30p FPS, sorry, it will be here. So make sure you're in video mode. Click on this little section, non-broadcast, and HD 720p 30 FPS, right? 30 frames per second. If you already have it, don't worry, it's already there for you. Usually it already gets saved, okay? So press start. You should have your playlist. Remember that just open up your folder. So go to your folder, document. Um, Usually will be on your download folder. I am going to get all these 5 videos and then this audio, okay, which is your music. So once you transfer all 6 files, you choose whichever, but the main thing, the cap and gown, will be the last part. Why? Because you kind of basically just put in some settings. Okay, so let's go um, with the building first. So click and drag. That's all you're doing. Remember, just clicking and dragging. Once you see this, I wanted to start with, this is going to be 6 videos. It's 5 videos, sorry, 6 seconds each. So make sure you put your cursor, and how do you know you're at 6 seconds? Oops. Basically, it will show up here. And if you can't get it to 6 seconds, you continue to get point whatever, you could always click on this little up or down arrow, or you could actually click and type it, right? 00, enter. Once you do that, let's do the split it, and we're going to delete this part. So make sure this is in red outline, press backspace, and there. So now I'm able to see this, okay? Not really so worried about the videos, mostly focus on the audio, okay? So I want to go ahead and click and drag, same thing, and then I'm just going to connect it. So 6 plus 6, it will give me a total of 12. So I need to go to my 12 seconds. So same thing, just click up, there you go, split it, and make sure you get this part out. So just press the delete button, and we should be good. So now that looks great. And let's get the volleyball, same thing, just click and drag, connect it, and 6 plus 12, that's equal to 18. So I'm just going to go up 1, there you go, 18, split, click on this outline, make sure it's red, backspace. Let's go with the classroom. 6 plus 18, that's 24, so I'm going to go down 2 and split. So there you go. Notice that this is already outlined, just press backspace. And the last one, cap and gown, and basically it's 30, right? 24 plus 6 equals 30. There you go. So and then split it and delete. Now, simple, right? All you're doing that. We're not putting any transitions. We're not doing any of that. We're just playing with this, okay? Perfect. Random videos, that's all we're doing. Okay, and the last part. There you go. All right, so once you do that, let's get our audio, sorry. But before we click on the audio, we gotta click on this little hamburger. That's what they call it, the 3 lines. Click on the 3 lines, press on track operation, add audio track. And there you go. And click and drag here. make sure it's on all the way to the beginning, and let's go to frame 30 because that's where we're going to cut it, and split it. Make sure this is your outline, your audio is red outline, right, which is selected. Once you split it, same thing, just make sure we get here and backspace. So now if I were to play it, there you go. Okay. Now we're going to save for right now. Save it. Why? Because we're going to do the second part now. Okay. Alright guys, so once you have saved this part, we're going to go with the other part now. This is where it's going to get a little bit more exciting. Why? Because this is where you guys are going to be recording yourself, your audio, right? Your recorded audio. So this is the script, and the script is also on your Teams. Okay, so you're going to read this, and where you're going to record is going to be on this website. So you're going to go to Bokaroo, and in Bokaroo, you're going to record your audio. Now, my best suggestion is read your Bokaroo on your cell phone, and on your tablet, click on the red button. Okay, why? Because it will automatically save to your computer, and of course you're doing it on your computer. So my suggestion, like I said, have your script on a cell phone or on another laptop or somewhere, and or you could always split both screens and then click, right? So it's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. So let me go ahead and click on press play. If you get this, press allow, okay? Make sure you do press allow. Monte Alto High School, home of the Blue Devils, a school that feels like home, where academic is a priority and standards of learning is a unique dedicated to success. Join our family and experience the outcome of great sportsmanship, marching bands, UIO academics, Skills USA, welding, nursing programs, and much more. One small community, one team, one goal. We are Blue Devils. Go Blue. And that's it, right? It is a little tense. Now, once you do it, play it. If you don't like it, play it again, record it until you like what you guys do. Make sure it is less than 30 seconds, okay? Once you do like what you guys had, click on save and share, and then click on download. Once you click on download, it will automatically download, and you should have it on your download folder. So let me go to my download folder, and you'll see it here. Now, my best suggestion is, I already have it, so make sure my best suggestion will be save it as self voice recorded. Okay, so just rename it, click it one time, and then type it. I'm going to delete this because, like I said, I already have this one. And I'm going to go ahead and drag it to my playlist. Okay, so once I'm over here again, the only thing we're going to do is two things. I'm going to add a new audio. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on these little three lines, track operation, add audio track. Now here, if you need to pick up this, just kind of click and drag up. Now, audio 1 and audio 2. Does it matter where it goes? Yes and no. So I'm going to just click on this audio and bring it down. Okay, so that way the music audio is in the bottom and my new self voice is on the top. Now, my best recommendation is I would always suggest going on the don't start here, almost kind of have it at the end. Why? Because that's where you guys are going to do your sections. Okay, so let me just play it real quick. All right, so that looks okay. Now, your audio is a little bit too loud, and then your music is also too loud. So we want to win your your audio than your music background. Okay, so make sure you click on your music background, go to filter, click on the plus sign, go to audio, and click on where it says gain volume. We are going to change this to -20 and then press enter, and there you go. So now if I were to press play, my audio is a little bit my music audio it's sounds less, but my audio sounds more loud, right? So that's what we want. And that's perfect. That's basically it. Now you basically have it, guys. You really don't have to do much anymore. Why? Because you already did your audio, that you already put it in there. This is one of the other things that we need to make it smaller, and then yeah, we're done. So you're going to save it one more time and let's export. So once you click on export, make sure you get 264 high profile, click on export and put this one, right? Voice project, save it, and then let's wait until it is done. You are going to turn in this assignment, okay? So you make sure you do the video and turn it in. So once you've finished, should erase all this, I don't really need them. I'll keep those, and there you go. So now I could play it. Onondaga High School, home of the mighty Blue Devils, a school that feels like home, where academic is a priority. And there you go. That's basically what we have. Okay. Perfect. And make sure we turn it in, and that's it, guys.